Okay, so what kind of situation do we currently have on Tron BTC? Now, from a weekly perspective, what kind of situation do we have? We have a market that clearly, after creating this impulse to the downside, has made the impulse to the upside and created an equal high. After that, what happened? The market started this nice retracement. Now, after you see a market make a move to the downside, create a lower low, equal high, you expect the market to make a move to the downside and then continuation to the upside for the creation of the inverted head and shoulders, which is exactly what you expect in this kind of situation, considering this is a very strong structure support acting as support here. Again, support here. The market now broke it again to the upside. So it's again support at this level. Now, another thing that you have to notice after an impulse in the market, okay, if you want to measure the retracement, what are you supposed to be doing? Taking your Fibonacci from the low to the high of the impulse. And what you can see is that clearly the market made a retracement to the 0.618, aka the golden ratio. And from here, you can definitely expect continuation to the upside for the creation of a higher high and completion of the impulse correction and impulse pattern to the upside. Let's go down on the daily time frame and see what kind of situation we have. Now, from a daily perspective, we can see multiple rejections of this support already. Now, until the market, however, will remain below this structure here, this resistance area, this resistance area here, we can't be looking for any longing opportunity because this area here is resistance and is the structure of the market. Until the market will not create a higher high above this area, we are not in a bullish environment. So in a bullish trend. However, if we will see the market actually manage to make an impulse to the upside that will break above this resistance, then what will happen is that we will have a market that has created a W formation. After a W formation, you expect the market to complete the pattern at the neckline. So the way in which we will be approaching this with students is very simple. First, we will be waiting. If the market will just melt to the downside, then we have to adjust to the new market structure and I will make an update. But if the market will actually make an impulse to the upside, then we will have the creation of this W formation. And then inside of this area, from a 4-hour perspective, we will be waiting for the market to shift from a bullish market to a bearish market. And we will wait for the market to provide to us one of our valid entries. And as soon as the market will provide to us one of our valid entries, we will be taking a nice short with a good risk to reward and good probabilities for the move to the downside for the completion of the W formation at the neckline. And after that, again, we will be monitoring price action inside of this area from a 4-hour perspective, waiting at this point for the market to shift from a bearish market to a bullish market. And then we will be waiting for the creation of one of our valid entries. And as soon as the market will provide to us one of our valid entries, with students, we will be taking a nice long with a very good risk to reward and very good probabilities for the move to the upside, completion of this impulse correction and impulse pattern to the upside, and creation of a higher high. Now, if you enjoy this free analysis and education, make sure you drop a like and a comment. It really does support the creation of more free education and analysis for all of you, and I will see you in the next video.